Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play My Love by Westlife on guitar. We'll start by learning the four main open chords: G major, D major, E minor, and C major. These are fundamental for the entire song. Next, we'll tackle a simple, consistent strumming pattern, typically down, down, up, down, up, which works well for the verses. Focus on making your chord changes clean and timely, aiming for a smooth flow between each transition. Practice these foundational elements before moving on. Now, let's dive into the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse progression typically follows G, D, E minor, and C, each held for 2 beats. Play the sequence 4 times for each verse. For the pre-chorus, there's a subtle but important shift to a minor, then D major, before returning to the main progression. Ensure your strumming remains steady and even, keeping a consistent tempo. This consistency is key to making the song sound cohesive and professional. Moving to the chorus, the chord progression is similar to the verse, using G, D, E minor, and C, but often with a more emphatic strum. Play these chords with a bit more attack to give the chorus its powerful feel. The bridge introduces a new sequence, typically C, G, D, and E minor, offering a slight variation in the song's texture. Pay attention to dynamics here, perhaps playing the bridge a little softer before building back up for the final chorus. This adds emotional depth. To truly master My Love, begin by practicing each section slowly, ensuring every chord change and strum is accurate. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Incorporate a metronome into your practice routine. This will significantly improve your timing and help you maintain a steady rhythm throughout the song. Finally, try playing along with the original track. Don't forget to infuse your own feeling into the music. With consistent practice, you'll be playing this beautiful song confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.